Hello, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ವೇದಾಂತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ರಿತಿಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್, ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ದೆನ್ ವೆದರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್, ವಿಸಿಬಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Hi everyone. Hope so I'm audible, visible properly to everyone then. Good morning. Good morning. Hi Aisha. Good morning, good morning. How is your preparation going on? ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸು? ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸು? Hi Varsha. Yes, we have a class today in SSLC today also. Okay, we have. Good morning Prashant. SSLC ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿದೆ. Yes, we have at 5 o'clock today class. We have at 5 o'clock today. 5 to 7 you will be having a class. We are going to discuss today preparatory exam 1 question solutions. Okay. Adén exam ittalla adar solutions na study madona ivattu. Done. Okay, then let's start with the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid without wasting the time. Let us learn it, the important concepts. Hi Sangeeta. How are you all? Preparations ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದು? ವಿಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ everyone are studying properly. Do your preparations properly. Don't neglect the things. Nothing is going to work out if you people will neglect it. Clear? Done. Let me just confirm once I'm audible, visible properly or no. English exam ide, ಆಮೇಲೆ chemistry exam ide, right? Perfect. So ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಸುಟಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬೈ ದ ವೇ ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಟುಡೇ? ಎನಿವನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಟುಡೇ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I guess today also you might be having a holiday. Hi Abhishek. It's enough for the boats. Yes, it's more than enough for the boats. Good morning. Good morning. You people are doing tomorrow. Even I will do tomorrow itself. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಭೋಗಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಭೋಗಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay then, let's start the class. So aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acid in the fixed some questions will be there. I have already done one complete means aldehydes, ketones ಮತ್ತೆ carboxylic acid ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಗೋ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೇದಾಂತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, aldehydes ಮೇಲೆ, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ separate videos on chemical reactions all are there. You can go and check it. Okay, happy Sankranti to you people also. Happy Sankranti. Okay, so let's start. So first is about the aldehydes. General equation and understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. First we'll understand about the general equations of of aldehydes. Okay, aldehydes andre ಏನು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, R C double bond O H, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ CH3 CH2 C2H5 ಏನು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, that is R C double bond OH, where R double bond H is actually considered as a alkyl or a alkyl. Okay, it is considered as a alkyl or a aryl group. It is considered as what, alkyl ಮತ್ತೆ aryl group. Next ketones ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, R is actually R C double bond O R dash, R C double bond O R dash, where R and R dash may be same or different alkyl or aryl group. It is going to be a same or a different aryl group. Means what, R ಮತ್ತೆ R dash ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಸೇಮ್ alkyl group, R ಸೇಮ್ alkyl group, R dash ಸೇಮ್ alkyl group ಇರಬಹುದು. But sometimes what happens, sometimes R ಇರೋದು alkyl group ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, R dash ಇರೋದು aryl group ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, sometimes C2H5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಕಡೆ R dash CH3 ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So that also you can take it. Hi Mahi, happy Sankranti. Okay, so ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸ್ನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, R C double bond O OH. OH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, R dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will come ketones, aldehydes ಅಂದ್ರೆ H ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, so why am I telling it again and again is this is very important to understand about the general equations in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, next comes few of the examples you can go through. Okay, few of the examples you can go through. Next, the aliphatic ketones and their propane IUPAC name and the common names also you should remember. Separate ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದರದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದರದ್ದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಪೇನು, ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ 2ON, ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ 2ON, ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ 3ON, 2,4 dimethyl ethane, dimethyl pentane 3ON, pentane 3ON. Okay, video is getting lag. One second guys, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ lag ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? No, you are calling me Mahi. But ಏನು ಕರಿಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? What is your name by the way? You have kept your name as a Mahi bomb. What I should call you? Fast. So next comes some of the aliphatic ketones and some examples. Now let us understand about the orbital structure of aldehydes and the ketones. Why is aldehydes and ketones? It is going to be the orbital structure, how it will be, that we will understand. Clear? So ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, one of the sp2 orbital of a carbon overlap. Okay, one of the ಇಲ್ಲಿ sp2 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, here what is the sp2 which is present now, ಈ sp2 overlap ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It will happen what, overlapping is possible here. Clear? What is happening here? Overlapping of the sp2 is happening here. This will overlap with the alpha bond, pi bond and pi bond. Clear? Done? First chemistry mama. Ma'am, my name is Azwa. Call me Azwa. Oh, your name is Azwa. Hi, Azwa. I thought ma'am calling me Mahi. For you, I will call Mahi. For Mahi, I am calling Mahi. Okay. The remaining two sp2 orbitals of the carbon atoms from the additional, okay, from the additional alpha bond, either by overlapping with the 1s orbital at least, okay, it will at least overlap with the 1s orbital, or it will go for the next orbital, that is 2s. Clear? 1s orbital at 2s orbital ge hogutte, overlap akonta hogutte. It depends, okay, it depends on what type of orbital, what type of a compound you have taken. It depends on that only overlapping is going to happen. Okay, overlap is going to happen. Hi Amar. Then afterwards, and one sp3 orbital of an alkyl group in the aldehyde other than the formaldehyde, or with the two sp2 orbitals of a 2 alkyl group in the ketones. Clear? So all these 3 alpha bonds, whatever the 3 alpha bonds which are going to be overlapping there, that alpha bonds will lie in the same plane. Okay, they will lie in the same plane and the inclined to one another at an angle of almost 120 degree. ಯಾವ angle ಗೆ incline ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 120 degree ಗೆ incline ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's what they have told it here and shown it in the diagram also. Clear? Today close the chemistry class. What is close the chemistry class? So next comes the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. That is smell. Smell means what? The lower aldehydes, pungent, unpleasant odor will be there, and size of the molecule also will always be increasing, and the odor becomes less pungent and the more fragrant. If in case size of the molecule is going to increase, size of the molecule akasmat jasti hakonta hogre pungent smell and it will become more fragrant. When it will start increasing, so size of the aldehydes or a ketone will start increasing, fragrant smell will come. Fragrant smell means what? Scent. Hi azwa. How many times you people were going to tell me hi now? Clear ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು size ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ increase ಆಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ aldehydes ಮತ್ತೆ ketones ದಲ್ಲಿ what is going to happen? Fragrant smell will come. Fragrant smell ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Smell will increase and increase. Clear? Done. Now comes the solubility, that is aldehydes and ketones up to 4 carbon atoms. Up to 4 carbon atoms. Example, ethanol anna tagobodu. That is propanol, butanol, etc. are soluble in the water due to the H bonding. Has that of size of the R, that is also called as an alkyl group, increases. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ R increase ಆಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and solubility will start decreasing. If in case size is decreasing, okay, R, that is size, is actually increasing, then solubility. Then what happens with the solubility? Solubility will decrease. Clear? Solubility will decrease. Clear? Hi Nitish, hi Varsha, hi Rambau. Okay, I don't know the name of this. Okay. Clear everyone with the solubility? Next comes the boiling point. So aldehydes and ketones has a weak intermolecular forces of the attraction, that is dipole-dimole, and so they have a low boiling point, that is dipole-dipole interactions are weaker than the intermolecular H bonding. Dipole-dipole interactions are weaker than the intermolecular H bonding. Clear? Hi RCB fan forever. Very bad then. Preparations ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ aldehydes ಮತ್ತೆ ketones ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ preparations ಬಹಳ important part ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Why preparations are very important? I'll tell you people. Why? Because this preparations, ಈ preparation ದಿಂದ ಒಂದು question fix. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ chapter ಇಂದ one preparation fix. So please make sure one question is fixed. Concentrate what I'm teaching now. Okay? From now onwards, I will study. I can get 90, ma'am. Abhi, you can get 90. It's not like no, you can't get. But you need to consider. yaar. ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಂತು ಓದ್ತೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. It's a little difficult, okay? It's a little difficult. But you can do it. Hard work ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So first preparation dalli aldehydes and ketones dalli alcohols in the hege preparation agutte nodi. So whenever the vapors of the alcohols are passed through a copper, it is being passed through a copper at 300 degrees Celsius. At 300 degrees Celsius, what is the first thing is going to happen? We are going to get what? RCHO. RCHO. Concentrate properly. So whenever the vapors of alcohol have passed through a copper, whenever you are going to pass it through a copper, you are at that degree 300 degrees Celsius, you are going to get what? RCHO plus H2. R jagdali enu tagobodu? You can take anything at the R place. C2H5, CH2, anything you can take. Okay? Clear? Next same other tara CH3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, you can even take CH3 also. So example dalli actually CH3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is ethyl alcohol they have taken. They have treated that with the copper at 300 degrees Celsius or 573 Kelvin, means 300 degrees Celsius and Kelvin dalli convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It depends, okay, whatever you want to write. If you want to write in a degree Celsius, you can write in a degree Celsius also. Kelvin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು Kelvin ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. But mention whether which you have converted. Kelvin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ K ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೇನೆ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈವನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then acetaldehyde, that is going to be forming what? Acetaldehyde plus H2. Clear? Same ಅದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ with a secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol, that is R2CHOH. In the presence of Cu 300 degrees Celsius, we have got RCOR plus H2. RCOR plus H2. Ma'am, lab exams. Yes, by the way, when are the lab exams going to start? ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ by the way? When is lab exams starting? Twenty seventh of January ಇಂದನಾ? Okay. Done. 27th is January then. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ I'll give you people some tips, okay? I'll give you some tips. Then from the oxidation of the alcohols, primary alcohols, that is going to be a primary alcohol. A primary alcohol. A primary alcohol gives the aldehyde on the oxidation by using the acidic K2Cr2O7 or pyrimidine by the chlorochromate, that is also CrO3, that is C5H5N, HCl, etc. That only you can use it here itself in the form of a catalyst, and the product you are going to get is RCOHHOH. In the presence of minus H2O means we are removing the H2O here. Idana tagid bidona. Okay, we will remove this. What we are going to get the product as RC double bond OH. Means what? We have got the aldehyde here. ನಾನು already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ aldehyde ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. H means aldehyde, right? H means aldehyde, right? ಇದು H ಅಂದ್ರೆ aldehyde. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ R' ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕೀಟೋನು, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? To identify it is easy, no? To remember. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So this box, if you remember, no, it's more than enough for you people to understand which is aldehyde, which is ketone, and which is carboxylic acid, and easily you can identify it. Clear? Next, with the tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol will give the ketone oxidation. So tertiary alcohols ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? It will give the ketone. ಈಗ primary alcohol ಮತ್ತು secondary alcohol both the things gave us the aldehyde. Clear? Aldehyde ಅನ್ನ product produce ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ketone tertiary alcohol react ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ketone ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. RC double bond OR dash. ಇದನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? That is, we have taken tertiary alcohol CH3CH3CH3OH. So it is getting reacted with the concentrated HNO3. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ react ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ? Concentrated HNO3. What is getting produced here? CH3 C double bond O. Clear? That is also called as R C double bond O R dash. So this here you can just check. Here both the alkyls are same. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ CH3. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ನೋ? ಡನ್? Yes, same ಅದೇ ತರ few more examples they have given. Okay, ಈಗ from amines how it is happening? ಈ amines ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Now they have taken an amine. Clear? This is the structure of an amine. General structure of an amine. Clear? So ಈಗ amine when it is reacting with the alkyl KMNO4, ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? alkyl KMNO4 ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ what we are going to get? We are going to get RCH double bond NH and RCHO. That is in the presence of H2O. Clear? In the presence of H2O means what? Here they have removed the H2O. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ how we can produce it. Ozolysis. Clear? From the nitriles and the esters. This is also important, guys. From the nitriles and the esters. Okay, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೈಸ್? ಎಸ್, ನೋ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೋ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, no, you should tell me that also, no? From nitriles and esters in the ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ CH3C the triple bond N plus 2H, that is in the presence of KCl. In the presence of KCl, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, what they have actually used, dry ether at 290 to 295 Kelvin. 290 to 295 Kelvin ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, that is acetylamide hydrochlorine, that is CH3CH double bond NHHCl. Clear? In the presence, once by boiling the water, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, what will get, that is acetaldehyde ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. What it will produce? Acetaldehyde will be produced. Now first the acetanitrile aldehyde ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ aldehyde ಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So that is also from called as from nitriles and esters. Okay, ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬೀಳಬಹುದು. This is also important. Okay, ma'am, if we study model paper, can we get 50 plus each? Darshi, no, not possible. Appa, only by studying model question papers, it's doubt. If you people become perfect, then 50 plus you can score. 50 plus score ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು easy ಇಲ್ಲ guys. You have a MCQs in it. You have so many 1 marks questions also. ಎಷ್ಟು easy ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕುಂತು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. You will study, then only you can do it. Okay. Next afterwards benzanitrile. Benzanitrile means some more example they are telling it. ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಅಸಿಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ತಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ nitriles and esters, then you need to use the nitriles and esters only and you need to find it. That's it. That much ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ it is very easy to do. Whether you take aceto, you take benzene, nothing is a possible, no problem to that. It will just give the product as it is, just the things will be changed, like what ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, aceto ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that's it. Okay, structures will be different. Next, by hydrolysis of a gem dihalides ಅಂತನು important. Then decarboxylic catalyst decomposition of fatty acids. Yes, next comes the preparation for the aldehydes. Preparation for the aldehydes, that is also Roseman's reaction. Roseman's reaction is also important guys. Roseman's reaction is also important. This also you people need to practice it very well. Idu ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, they will ask this. Okay, now ಈಗ Roseman's reaction ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, see aldehydes can be formed by passing H2 gas. ಹೇಗೆ aldehydes ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, how the aldehydes is been producing, this aldehydes are produced with the help of, okay, these aldehydes are actually being produced with the help of passing the H2 gas. ಏನನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, passing the H2 gas. Okay, passing the H2 gas. Clear? Then afterwards through the boiling solution of acid chlorine in xylene in the presence of PD or BaSO4. So H2 gas ಅನ್ನು continuous ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, and through a boiling solution. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ, through the boiling solution. Okay, through the boiling solution ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಫ್ acid chloride in a xylene, okay, of a acid chloride through the boiling solution of a acid chloride. Through the acid chloride, okay, in a xylene. Okay, ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ, in clear, in xylene in the presence of what, that is PD or BaSO4. In the presence of PD or BaSO4. Ma'am, reaction ಮಾಡುವಾಗ catalyst ಬರಿಲೇಬೇಕಾ? Yes, see, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನೇ ಕೆಟಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೆಟಲಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಕೆಟಲಿಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ರೋಸ್ಮಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಗ ರೋಸ್ಮಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪಿ BD ಮತ್ತು BaSO4 ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ PD or BaSO4, that is catalyst, in the presence of sulfur only you are going to get this. ತಿಳಿತಾ? So now ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ aldehyde ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Aldehyde is being passing through the H2 gas through a boiling solution of an acid chloride in xylene. That is also which we are going to use it as PD or BaSO4. PD or BaSO4. We will get the aldehyde. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ aldehyde ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So acid chloride ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We have taken acid chloride, carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid. But just we have taken here chloride. Chloride ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay, next, acid chloride in the presence of PDBaSO4 or sulfur, we will get easily the aldehyde plus HCl. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ aldehyde plus HCl ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು? What you can do, anything you can add it at the place of R. What you can add? CH3 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, C2H5 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, or CH2 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. No problem. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ acid chloride ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ PD ಮತ್ತೆ BaSO4 ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ aldehyde plus ಮತ್ತೆ acid ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 1ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡೋಣಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ. ಸಿ ನಿನ್ನೆದು ಗ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ಲಿಮನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈಮಂಡ್ ಟೈಮಂಡ್. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? Subhash, what do you want to start up? Hi Kiran. So clear everyone with this? Teetala alipetic aldehyde do. Roseman's reaction is clear everyone? Clear? Yes, no guys? Okay, I'm going for the next one, that is Grignard's reagent. From Grignard's reagent, what you can produce? Grignard's reagent, one thing you should remember, that is about RMGX. RMGX and saku, nothing else you should remember. That is, it will give us the aldehyde only with the HCN. Yavag produce madutte? RMGX yavag react madutte edar jode. Alli it gives in the presence of dry ether. Dry ether jode yavag react maduttalla. That is also with the help of HCN. Avagashtenane aldehyde produce madutte. That time only the aldehyde is being produced. Clear? HCN plus RMGX, that is Grignard's reagent. In the presence of dry ether, we will get HC, that is CH double bond NMGI. In now we are water remove. We are removing the water. So what will get? CHO plus NH3 plus MgOHI. That is aldehyde is being produced here. RC double bond OH. RC double bond OH. Okay. Ma'am, when is NEET mock test? NEET mock test is present already in the description is there. You can go there and check it out once. Yes, Sangeeta, how did I do it in my school days? ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಮೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸೇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇನ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಸೇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸು ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿದಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಸೇರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಯೋಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು, ಫಿಶರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನೂ ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಹೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಹೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ. ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ನಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡು. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 1ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು, ಅವಾಗ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ರಿವಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 70% ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 1 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 70% of the question has got repeated, and if I'm telling you people some questions are very important, then make sure you will be perfect with those questions. 100% ಆ questions ಬಿದ್ದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. From nitriles ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Now from nitriles, alkane nitrile is getting reacted in the presence of SN or HCl. It's going to produce RCH double bond NH. In the presence of H plus and H2O, you are going to get what? Aldehyde. That is RCHO plus H2. Clear? Then now the above reaction is also known as a Stephen's reduction. It is also called as a Stephen's reduction. Okay, from nitriles, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು nitriles ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is also called as Stephen's reaction also. Grignard's reagent ಅಂದ್ರೆ RMGX ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If in case they are asking the Roseman's reaction, then you should remember only one thing, that is PDBASO4. PDBASO4. So how ಈಗ PDBASO4 acid ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ, you will react with, you are going to get reacted with the PDBASO4, you will get the aldehyde plus acid, that is HCl. Clear everyone? Done now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ. Now alkene by oxo method, that is also very easy. That is, you should remember, under the pressure of 100 degrees Celsius at COH and CO4, you are going to do the alkene ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು alkene ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. You can solve the MCQs, but it's not like you need to solve the MCQs also. ಬರೇ ಥಿಯರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾನು MCQ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ನೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜೀವಿತ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜೀವಿತ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ MCQs ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ, ಜೀವಿತ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, 1 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್, 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ದೆಮ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. Done. Next, aromatic aldehydes dinda concentrate here from the side chain halogenation dinda. Toluene in the presence of benzyl chloride, toluene in the presence of 2Cl and H nu. Okay, H nu. We are going to get what? Benzyl chloride and then benzaldehyde. Very easy guys, very easy. ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಡ್ಡೇಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಡ್ಡೇಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಲಿನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟೋಲಿನ್ದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 1 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೋಲಿನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಟೋಲಿನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2HCl by heating it up at the temperature of 383 Kelvin, 383 Kelvin, we are going to get benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Means what? This chlorine which is there, it will go and attack to the carbon. Clear? It will go and attack to the hydrogen or carbon. Then we are in the presence of hydrolysis. Means ಇದನ್ನ hydrolyze ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We are removing the hydrogen again. So always remember, whenever it is been forming, benzyl chloride ಇಲ್ಲ benzyl chloride ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, that you people are going to do this. You people are going to do this. Okay? Yes, I am making the video for the numerical problems also, appa. I am doing the video for numerical problems also soon. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ. ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. Then we are going to get what? CHOH2. What we will get it as? CHOH2. Clear? CHOH2 in the presence of by heat minus H2O, means we are removing it. We are going to get what? Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Yes. Yes, Shanta, we have a 5 marks one shot on Sunday. This coming Sunday only we have it. Okay. Timing I will confirm you to you people. But Sunday, this Sunday only, Coming Sunday, which is on 18th of this January, sorry, 18th of January, you people will be having a one shot of 5 marks questions and 3 marks questions. Okay, I'll be covering 3 marks questions and 5 marks questions. And on Tuesday, I think, yes, Tuesday, I will be covering you people the 1 marks questions and 2 marks questions. Clear? So everything remaining numerical problems, matte name reactions, important formulas of physics, iವೆಲ್ಲ separate one videos barutte nimage. You can sit and see them. Okay, done. Okay, from gem decade also, next from the toluene, this is also important guys. From the toluene also one equation is important. Idannu practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, done. Toluene in the presence of 2CrO2Cl2, 2CrO2Cl2, we in the presence of that we are going to get brown chromium complex, and in the presence of H3O plus and hydrolysis you will get benzaldehyde. You will get what? Benzaldehyde. In produce ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು benzaldehyde. Clear? Timing will be confirmed amma very soon. Timing will be confirmed very soon. Probably I will take it at 11 o'clock itself. Morning, Sunday morning at 11 o'clock I might take. Okay, I'll confirm you the timing soon. Okay. Next, this reaction is also called as a Gutermann-Koch formylation. Okay, that is also called as a Gutermann-Koch formylation. Koch formylation. Clear? This reaction is also called as Ithard reaction. Ithard reaction anta karitare. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ chlorine, sorry, toluene ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು in the presence of 2CrO2Cl2, 2CrO2Cl2 and CS2, you are going to get what? Brown chromium complex anna produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Brown chromium complex anna produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2CrO2Cl2 ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, 2CrO2Cl2 ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, this will go and attack here. Carbon ಗೆ attack ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. It will go and attack to the carbon. Clear? ಇದು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? CHOCrCl2OH ಮತ್ತೆ OCrCl2OH ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are actually removing the hydronium. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. we are doing the hydrogenation, right? So ಈಗ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ in the presence of hydrolyzing you are going to get benzaldehyde. ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ? Benzaldehyde is being produced and 2CH3COH. 2CH3COOH. Clear? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Ithard reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is going to be a Gutermann-Koch formulation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೆಂಜೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We are reacting that with CHOCl. We are reacting that with CHOCl. Cross aldol condensation. You didn't understand? No problem. I'll explain you, Subhash. I'll explain you. Then in the presence of AlCl3 and CuCl2, you will get it what? Benzaldehyde plus HCl. So now we got preparation of benzaldehyde. Ek benzaldehyde ek produce ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು find ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Clear? So benzaldehyde, then you should remember that there should be a benzene present in it so that easily we can produce it. Clear? Done. Next comes preparation of a ketones only. ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್? ಈಗ benzaldehyde ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? aromatic aldehyde ದಿಂದ first we had studied about the from side chain halogenation, ಆಮೇಲೆ from toluene and from the help of the benzene ದಿಂದಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. that is Ithard reaction and Gutermann-Koch formylation. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ. how the benzaldehyde ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು with the help of the toluene and with the help of the benzene. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, next comes preparation of a ketones by ketones from organometallics. From the organometallics. How it's been produced from the organometallics? So now Cr double bond OCl plus CdR2, that is dialkyl cadmium. In the presence of dry ether, you are going to get 2RC double bond OR dash plus CdCl2 plus CdCl2. Clear? Same ಅದೇ ತರ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀಗ್ನಾಚ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಲ್ಲ, with the help of Grignard's reagent ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Grignard's reagent ಬರುತ್ತೆ. From the Grignard's reagent, okay, RCOCl carboxylic acid, that is acid chloride, and it is reacting with the Grignard's reagent, that is R-MgX ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? RCO R dash plus MgXCl, that is ketone plus MgXCl is being produced. Iga ketone anna with the help of Grignard's reagent inda hegappa produce ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Preparation anna ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, how they will ask the preparation, that with the help of Grignard's reagent how you can produce the ketone. Okay, it is simple, right? Carboxylic means acid chloride anna ತಗೋತೀರಾ, you are reacting that with Grignard's reagent, easily you are going to get it, ketone plus MgXCl. Clear everyone? Done. ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೈಅಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಪ್ಟ್ರಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಲ್ಕೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್. ಓಕೆ, clear? So this is also important, right? Because this is from the Marconis edition. So ಹಿಂಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, with the help of Marconis condition, with the help of Marconis condition, have actually ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? RC double bond OCl plus CH2 CHR dash, which will give us the RC double bond of CH2 CHR dash Cl addition. Clear? ಆ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Next comes aromatic ketones, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation, and Friedel-Crafts acylation ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Friedel-Crafts acylation ಬರೀರಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲೇಷನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಆ ತರನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It will be having a named reaction, but to make you people confused, so average students ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Average of the students will be like, they read everything, okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರ ನೀವು ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಂತ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ sit and bahat everything and you will go. So this mistake you should not do. Clear? Oh my god, Virat Kohli is messaging me, guys. Can you just see? Virat Kohli is messaging me. Very nice. Hello ma'am, if I study only important questions, will I be able to score more than 60 marks in chemistry exam? Virat Kohli, first of all, you will play cricket, no? Why do you want to write the exam? Why do you want to write the exam, by the way? Which questions you are asking? Is it a test series, anything you are going to do? Yes, Virat Kohli, you are going to do any test series? Test series ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಾ? ನನಗೇನು ಕೇಳೋದು? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು. ಎಸ್ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಗೈಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ರದ್ದಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮೈ PUC. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಇನ್ PUC, I have written 4 times chemistry, guys. 4 times. In my main exams, I have written 4 times chemistry. Can you just imagine? First time ಹೋದೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋದೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಟೆನ್ಷನು, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರದೆ ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ, ಚಲೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಪೇಪರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಲೀಕ್ಡ್, ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಲೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಪೇಪರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಮ್ದು KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ದು ಬಂದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಗೈಸ್. 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಮ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ, 2014 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. This year the paper is hard or easy? This year paper will be not so easy also, because ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. They are giving you people 2 times chances. How it will be? It's not so easy. Okay, next, Friedel-Crafts acylation understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Benzene, when it is reacting with the acid chloride, benzene ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl2, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl2, we are going to get a aromatic ketone. ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? aromatic ketone ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What will be produced here? That will be produced here. Aromatic ketone has been produced. Clear? Your name is Virat, not Virat Kohli. Then why did you put your name as Virat Kohli? ನೀನು ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ವೈರಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇವನು ನನಗೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ವೈರಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ರೀಮ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಗೋ ವೈರಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. I have completed physical chemistry. Wow, that's very good. You have completed physical chemistry, then there is a big headache, you have finished it. That's very cool, very good. Very good, students. So everyone finish physical chemistry. Why? Because from physical chemistry you will get the part E, that is numerical problems. Numerical problems perfect ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು ಓದಿದ್ರೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. Then afterwards, this reaction is also called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation, and this reaction is an example for the electrophilic substitution reaction. If in case if they are asking you the example for the electrophilic substitution reaction, then also you can write this Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, avagunu Friedel-Crafts acylation baribodu. Theta. Nan PUC marks eshtu. I can't disclose it yaar. They have told me that not to disclose my marks. If I disclose, then for you people heart attack will become. For you people heart attack will become. How can I disclose my marks? Manni Vantera ma'am, please you only come and write my paper. Preparatory 2 will be easy compared to the board exams. Don't worry. Ma'am, I have finished organic chemistry. Hanumanta has finished organic chemistry. Oh, that's very good. If you have finished organic chemistry, and then that's very good, but please make sure organic chemistry is just like you will forget the things a lot in the organic chemistry. So make sure you will be doing the revision again and again. Okay. Akasmat ನೀವು already organic chemistry ಮತ್ತೆ inorganic chemistry ಇಂದ D and F block elements ಇವು ಮೂರು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please make sure to do the revision again and again. Why? Because you might forget the things. Okay, you might forget the things. Clear? Okay, you are a big fan of a Virat Kohli, so you have named it as a Virat Kohli. You are a big fan, pa. What I can do? I will think like Virat Kohli only came to my class to see class. Ma'am, when finished everything? When, ma'am, when finished everything? Who finished everything, pa? I didn't finish everything. Okay. Next, Fry's reagent is not that important. Leave it. Chemical properties in the nucleophilic addition reaction and understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How the nucleophilic addition reaction is happening? Step by step process. Okay, step by step process. Concentrate due to the presence of a carbonyl group. But due to the presence of a carbonyl group, and the aldehyde and the ketone will undergo the nucleophilic addition reaction. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? Nucleophilic addition reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? ಅವಾಗ C double bond O, that is CH2 C double bond O. Sorry, CH2 double bond O, that is nucleophilic attack from the top face it is going to happen. Usually in SN1 reaction or SN2 it will be from back side. Okay, but here it is going to happen from the top. Nucleophilic attack is going to happen from the top. Clear? Then it is going to be a first the slow process, then afterwards nucleophilic attack top in the agid takshana what will be produced actually by faster reaction by hydrolyzing. By hydrolyzing you are going to get OH here. Clear? OH anna sigutta by hydrolysis. By hydrolysis, or you are going to get easily the OH. Only organic is left. Subhash is telling only organic is left. Oh, okay. No problem. Even I used to do like that only. Chemistry dalli nan hege ottide gotta. First we should always read physical chemistry. Okay. Trick I am telling you. First always think like first you will finish with the physical chemistry. Once you finish with the physical chemistry, go for the inorganic chemistry. Okay. Inorganic chemistry aad takshana last organic chemistry na odi. Some people will feel like organic chemistry bhಳ difficult ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಓದೋಣ, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಇರೋದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಗೈಸ್, first you people read physical chemistry. I'll tell you it will help you a lot. Okay, ಭಾಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇನ್ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಹಳ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮರೆಯೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮರೆಯಬಾರ್ದಂತ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೇ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಓದ್ಕೊಂತ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತನಕ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ and then go for the inorganic and then go for the organic. Yes, everyone will get fear of the organic chemistry, don't worry. But organic chemistry, if you do it last, then you can remember those concepts very easily also. Okay. Next comes acetal and kindal formation, then addition of a recognized reagent, addition of a sodium bisulfate, addition of a hydrogen cyanide, then reaction with the hydrogen amine. So, yeah, important is next concepts understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. Yes. Next comes the aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, this question important, it is very important. Aldol condensation is very important. Okay, it plays a very important role. Let us understand the aldol condensation properly now. Okay. Yes, we'll study the cross aldol condensation also. I know, I remember what you have asked me the doubt. Don't worry. You have asked me the doubt and I will not tell you. Feel. I want to complete organic chemistry, ma'am. I have completed amines and biomolecules. Now I should read haloalkanes, alcohols and or only aldehydes, because aldehydes carry 2-3 marks. I am confused. See, first best option you study with the alcohols. And alcohols the fixed SN1, SN2 ಎಲ್ಲ named reactions ಇದೆಲ್ಲ diamond time ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋ. ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ aldehydes ಬಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ aldehydes ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ haloalkanes ಹೋಗು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Afterwards you go to haloalkanes. Done? Amines is done? No problem. Amines biomolecules is done. Then you go first complete with the alcohols, then go for the aldehydes and then go for the haloalkanes. Clear? Done? Okay. So now aldol condensation dalli enaguttandre whenever okay aldehyde is getting treated with H2CH2CHO okay yavaga here aldehyde is getting reacted with H2CH2CHO in the presence of a base, that is dilute NaOH. We are going to get a aldol. In produce madutte aldol anna produce madutte. Means what is actually getting produced here? CH2 ade tara irutte. Clear? CH3 irutte illi. CH3 irutte. COH H. Clear? CH3. This will go in attack. Clear? And then CHO. Clear everyone? CHO. By heating it, we are going to get that is CH plus CHO. Clear? That is butane 2-enol. Done? So first the ethanol is there. Ethanol is also called as acetaldehyde. Ethanol, or acetaldehyde, it is getting retreated with the aldehyde. If in the presence of a dilute NaOH, we are going to get 3-hydroxybutanol plus butane 2-enol. Butane 2-enol. Clear? So now anything you can write it at the place of here. Okay, enu hagbodu adra jagdalli. It's not like we need to put those only. You can add it anything here and write the complete the reaction. Clear? So this is a general equation. You can write anything and you can change the concepts also. It's not like you should take that only and you should do it. Okay, guys, why today you didn't go to college? Guys who don't wanted to go to college. So next, mechanism of aldol condensation concentrate. Usually they didn't ask any time the mechanism, but how it actually came anta ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So OH plus it's getting reacted with the acetaldehyde. It is getting reacted with the acetaldehyde, that is HCH2C double bond OH. In the presence, it is going to be a very slow reaction. Then enolate. In the presence of enolate, you are going to get CH2COH plus H2O. Next step enaguttandre acetaldehyde, that is also electrophilic attack is going to happen. That is enolate ion, that is nucleophile is going to go and attach to the carbon. Clear? That is nucleophilic attack is going to happen. Okay, nucleophilic attack to the carbon is going to happen. So ಏನನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? anion ಅನ್ನು produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Same ಅದೇ ತರ last step ಇದು, that is anion is going to get reacted with the H2O. It's going to get reacted with the H2O to produce what? Aldol. To produce the aldol. By heating it up, we will get the aldol separately. Happy Makara Sankranti. Then next comes the cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation is also very important, and some students were asking me the doubt here. Please concentrate properly and listen to this cross aldol condensation. Subhash especially. Subhash, listen to me properly. Okay. So, ಈಗ cross aldol condensation ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is happening here is concentrate. First, what you are going to do? You are going to take a ethanol. Okay, ethanol ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay. You are going to take a ethanol. Clear? That is what? CH3CHO. Clear? Ethanol is getting reacted with the propanol. It is getting reacted with the propanol. You already know when starting of the lesson dalli time duration when I will finish up. It's not like any duration we have. Okay, so I concentrate ಮಾಡಿ starting ನಲ್ಲಿ I had given you IUPAC name of all the things, propane, butane, tutane, tritane ಎಲ್ಲ ತರದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, right? So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ equation ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. Clear? That is ethanol is getting reacted with the propanol. Clear? Ethanol is getting reacted with the propanol. Propanol means what? CH3CH2. Ethanol means CH3. Clear? ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ in the presence of dilute NaOH. In the presence of dilute NaOH. What you are going to get it? What you are going to get it? That is CH3CH, CH2, CH2, CHO. Clear? Concentrate properly by the simple or by the self-aldol products. These are simple or a self-aldol product. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ aldol products ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ aldol produce ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೇನು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ CH3 CH which is present, CH2 CHO. Clear? CH3 CH CH2 CHO. Clear? Done. ತಿಳಿದಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? This will attack here. Done. This you people towards plus CH3 CH2. ಈಗ next ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? CH3 CH2 CHOH dash CH3 CHO. That is what? 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol. That is self-condensation of 2 molecules of a propanol. 2 molecules of a propanol. Self-condensation of 2 propanol. Self-condensation ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ 2 propanol ದು ಎದರ ಜೊತೆ? ethanol ಜೊತೆ. ethanol ಜೊತೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? self-condensation of 2 molecules of ethanol is happening. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ propanol ದಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ethanol ದಾಯ್ತು. ethanol 2 products ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ propanol 2 product ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. CH3 CHOH ಇದೆ, CH3 CHOH ethanol ದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ CH3 CH2 CHOH, CH3 CH2OH. ಡನ್. ತಿಳಿತಿದೇನ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್, ನೋ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಡನ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಡಾಲ್ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಥೆನಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ. CH3 CHOH ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ, CH3 CHCHO CH3. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? how it has been done? This will go and attack here. CH3 CHO CH2 CH3 CH2OH. clear? Done from the ethanol. ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. CH3 CH2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ CH3 CH2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 CH ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಥನಾಲ್ ದಿಂದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನಾಲ್ ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? CH3 CH2 CHOH CH2 CHO. Clear? Happy Makara Sankranti. Yes, happy Makara Sankranti to everyone. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? Done. So this is with the help of the ethanol. Then this is help of with the propanol. Okay, ಇದು propanol ಜೊತೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. This is actually called as a crossed aldol products. Clear? Theta largo cross aldol products. Subhash was asking me, your doubt is clear, appa? If it is clear, please tell me yes, no. Okay, hope so it's clear. Next important thing is Canizer's reaction. Yes, Canizer's reaction is also important. Mechanism is not important, just the reaction is important. So let's learn let's learn just the reaction here. I'm new here. Hi, Ram Charan Shetty. Hi, Ram Charan Shetty. Oh my God, heroes are coming in my class or what nowadays? First Virat Kohli, then afterwards Charan Shetty. I'm like, oh my God, I have become a celebrity, I guess. Dawn Ma'am, Nitesh Dawn Ma'am, nahi Done Ma'am. Welcome, by the way, Ram Charan Shetty. Hope so. I'm teaching very well for you to make you understand, right? So, ella hero heroines tom banni. Even I'll be happy. I'll become famous. You are not hero, but your name is like that only. Ram Charan Shetty is actually hero, no? Explain Canizer's reaction. Yes, I'm explaining Canizer's reaction, Nitesh. So what is happening here? Formaldehyde we have taken. Okay, formaldehyde we have taken, or is also called as a normal aldehyde also. Just if you people add two of aldehydes, then it is called as formaldehyde. Clear? Formaldehyde plus NaOH, that also only 50% NaOH we have taken it. So what we are going to get? That is methyl alcohol is being produced. ಏನಪ್ಪ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Methyl alcohol is being produced. That is this will go and attack here. Then, so again we will get a sodium formate. ಏನಪ್ಪ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? That we are going to get it as sodium formate. Sodium formate. Clear? Methyl alcohol and sodium formate is being produced. Sodium formate is being produced. So in this place you can take it anything. Benzaldehyde togobodu. Again you can take 50%. Then you will form a benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Clear? Means they have taken CH. And then tagad new C2H. You can put it as C6H5 also. Okay? CH. 2 anna tagadu, you can put it as CH6H5, that is benzene will become. Okay, benzene anna haakbodu. Methyl anna tagiri, adರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ benzene anna haki. Simple. Benzyl alcohol. Yes, you are already famous, ma'am, by this channel. Oh, thank you so much. I was not knowing I am famous. Okay, done. Benzaldehyde, in the presence of 50% of NaOH, you are going to get benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate Clear, everyone? Mechanism is not important, so not necessary to learn that much. In important is extra kalyona. This is important. Make sure you will be perfect. Okay. Crossed Canizer's reaction is also same itself, just the production of P-tolualdehyde. It will form the formaldehyde, that is 50% of NaOH jode react ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. We will get it as para-methyl benzyl alcohol and sodium forms. Clear? Sodium forms. Next important reaction, some important reduction reactions of aldehydes. Wolff-Kishner reduction. This is important, guys. This is under the reaction of aldehydes and ketones it is. Okay, ಇದು important. Ella star marks, ella important. Yes, important questions. I'll explain the concepts and then I'll show you people the important questions. Okay, very important questions show ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. I will not sit and explain them. Why? Because while exam time you are going to do that only. No, again. Okay, I'll just show you people. Cool. Done. Okay. So now Wolff-Kishner reduction is also very important. This also is a most repeated question in this chapter. Wolff-Kishner ಅದು ಬರೀ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿದ್ದೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 1 ಆದ್ರೂ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ 100% ಶೋರ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ aldehydes or ketones is heated with the hydrazine. ಎದರ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? hydrazine and KOH or potassium tetrabutoxide in the high boiling solvent such as ethylene glycosol. That is how it is getting reacted. Concentrate properly everyone here. That is RCH double bond O, RCH double aldehyde or a ketone. But right now we have taken an aldehyde here. We have taken an aldehyde. So aldehyde, how it's been produced? Concentrate. So RCH double bond O in the presence of NH2, in the presence of NH2 or by addition of, means hydrolyzing, we are going to get a hydrozone. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹೈಡ್ರೋಝೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. that is NNH2 ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? NNH2 ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. clear? what will get? that is hydrozone will get by KOH or glycosol in the presence of 453 or 473 Kelvin, you are going to get. Okay? Difficult andre enu? Percentage of difficult questions will be little bit more. That's it. Okay, then hydrozone has been produced. Clear everyone with this? Done. Wolff-Klingner, Clemenson's reduction. This was actually asked in your exam. Preparatory 1 dalli idanna kelidru, right? Preparatory 1 dalli kelidru, ellaru bardidra illa? Bardro illo ellaru ee question anna exam dalli? Anyone has written this question in the exam? Clemenson's reduction kelidra? Clemenson's reduction kelidra and Clemenson's reaction kelidra? Let me see, guys. Yes, reduction with a general chemical reaction. General chemical reaction barili kelidru. I think this question was asked on 40th B. 2 marks kelidru idanna. They had asked this question for 2 marks in preparatory 1, 40th B question. Clear? Second preparatory easy irutte, tension togobeda. It involves the reduction of aldehydes of a ketones with the zinc amalgam. Edrinda maagtiddadu? With the help of a zinc amalgam. Okay, and concentrated hydrochloric acid. So zinc amalgam and Hg or HCl with concentrated HCl. What is going to produce? We are going to get a alkane. Enappa produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? alkane ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಯಾವಾಗ aldehyde ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, RHO ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು in the presence of water in zinc amalgam or concentrated HCl, we are going to get the alkane. Clear? That is RCH3 plus H2O. Or now, if in case you want to take a ketone, it is when reacting with the RH in the presence of ZnH2, that is zinc amalgam or concentrated HCl, we are going to get again the alkane plus H2O. Clear? See, this is Clemenson's reduction is widely used for the reduction of aldehydes or ketones which are sensitive to the alkyls. Because the sensitive to the alkyls, adra salvagi ee process inda actually reduction ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ process ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ reduction ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And this question has come in your preparatory 1 also in 40th B. If you people remember the question paper, okay, but don't forget the question paper. Preparatory 1 dal kelidare, and make sure preparatory 1 ಮತ್ತೆ preparatory 2 question papers ಅನ್ನ ಕುಂತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ solve ಮಾಡಿ before you go for your main exams. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು solve ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, but before you people also solve it. Okay? Clear? Done? Okay. Now Clemenson's reduction is also important. Reduction of alcohol. Then again, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು important reactions ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ? Film some solution is also important. You can study Bendit solution. Okay. Yes, isomers structures ಮತ್ತೆ IUPAC ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. Okay. Physical properties of solubility, boiling point, preparations by hydrolysis of acid derivatives, by the hydrolysis of cyanides, that is RCN, then Grignard's reagent and carbon dioxide. Okay, Grignard's reagent and carboxylic acid. Same. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ aldehydes ಮತ್ತು ketones ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ aldehyde ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, Next, from hydrolysis of haloforms, from amide, from hydrocarbon, from higher alkanes, alkenes, alkyls, ketones, salt formation, ester formation, or esterification. This is important, guys. Esterification is important. I'll put the star. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ಟರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸಿಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ROH ಜೊತೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ RCOH. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಪ್ಲಸ್ H2O. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ CH2, C2H6 ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, that is CH3COH, HOC2H5. in the presence of dilute HCl acid you are going to get this. Done. Next, commandant reaction, Helms reaction, acetalization ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Friedel-Crafts reaction ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ please. Make sure you will study this Friedel-Crafts also. Okay, done. This is Friedel-Crafts. Okay, so now I will show you people amines start ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, so that you will have an idea about what type of questions they will ask. See, ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, and then I'll give you people a little break, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then we'll start with the next chapter. Okay, okay, very good. Ram Charan has already sent me the request in the Instagram also. Perfect. You people know how to search me or what? You all knows how to search me. We people have become so fast in everything, right? Everyone has become full fast, right? Okay, what type of questions we have asked in this chapter? Yeah, ma'am, it seems again. Huh? Chalu boy. Okay, what is aldol condensation is important. I have already explained about the aldol condensation, so you should remember that ethanol in the presence of dilute NaOH we will get a 3-hydroxybutane, that is aldol, and aldol condensation product ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Clear? Then afterwards cross aldol condensation, cross aldol or mixed aldol condensation, then cross aldol or mixed aldol condensation, It-Hard reaction. I have already told you It-Hard reaction is also very, very important. Please go through the It-Hard reaction. It-Hard reaction means you remember toluene. Okay, toluene ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is benzene ring ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ortho position ಅಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ upper end also CH3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay, in the presence of chromyl chloride, we are going to get chromium complex. By hydrolysis we will get benzaldehyde. Clear? Then afterwards, how do you prepare aromatic ketones by the Friedel-Crafts acylation? Explain with an example. Ee question annu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then explain the mechanism of an addition of an HCN on aldehyde or a ketone. So this question also has been asked. So I think this preparatory ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು, I guess 40th A question ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. Next, how does the aldehyde or a ketone react with hydroxylamine? Then explain the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with the hydrozyne with an example. Then Wolff-Kishner reduction. I have told you already Wolff-Kishner reduction ana keltaranta helidene already nanu. Wolff-Kishner reduction is very, very, very important, guys. It ee sala antu 100% Clemenson's reaction last preparatory 1 dalli kelidralla. Preparatory 2 dalli Wolff-Kishner perfect. Fixed question. Fixed. Okay? Done. Next comes haloform reaction, give an example. Then after that, Klenizer's reaction, give example. Klenizer's reaction antu 100% keltare. Example, Klenizer's reaction. Okay. Klenizer's reaction is also important. How do you discuss ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ question? Just ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Okay. How do you prepare carboxylic acid from the Grignard's reagent? So ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು first you people try to write the general equation and then you can just copy. Means ಯಾರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿ examples ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. So normal reaction then ಆರ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು reactions ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay. Action of amino carboxylic acid, then Hell-Wolff-Jenkins reaction, then nitration of a benzonic acid with the equation. Okay, nitration. I think I have put this also as a star mark, right? Next comes Gutermann reaction with an example. Gutermann reaction for the example. This question is 2 marks. Okay, they will ask this question for the 2 marks, not more than that. Okay, they'll ask it only for the 2 marks question. Done, everyone? Clear till here, everyone? Aldehydes and ketones. So we have discussed all the important concepts plus named reactions. I have told you aldol condensation, Clemenson's reaction, and Wolff-Kishner reduction, and then with the help of HCN, with the help of nitrile, how you will produce the benzaldehyde. Then we have discussed again named reaction. Yav important ideyappa? Yes, Grignard. This carboxylic, this fix. Okay, preparation of a carboxylic acid from the Grignard's reagent. 2 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನ 2 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Then afterwards Klenizer's reaction I told you already. So haloform's reaction, haloform reaction ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, so these are the most important repeated questions, and we have discussed all these reactions also properly. Make sure you won't miss this named reactions. If you miss this named reactions, surely you will lose the marks from this chapter. Clear? So if you are perfect with this chapter, we'll go for the next chapter, that is amines. Clear? We'll move for the next chapter, that is amines. Before that, let us have a 10 minutes of break and then I'll start up with the amine chapter. Clear? 10 minutes of break and then I'll start up with the I will resume back at 12:40. Okay, 12:40 bартene. Then we'll continue with the amines. Amines is done, then almost all will be completed. Then on Sunday we will study all the most repeated questions of 3 marks and 5 marks. Okay, 3 marks, 5 marks ella cover ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅವತ್ತು. Done? Okay. You people also eat something and come till then. Yes, I'm audible to everyone. Now we'll start with the amines chapter. Okay, let's start with the amines chapter. Everyone are clear with the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid? ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Everyone understood, no? ತಿಳಿತೇನ್ರೋ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Okay, now let us start with the amines introduction. Amines are actually amino-based organic compounds that have one or more alkyl or aryl group attached to the nitrogen atom. That is, amines play a very variety of roles in living creatures, including the bioregulation, neurotransmission, and even the predictor protection. So many amines employed as in pharmaceuticals and the treatments because of their great biological activity. Means what? Simply if I tell, then you might have seen biology nalli baswasar kalstirtaralla biology ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರಬೇಕು amines ಬಹಳ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ, right? So ಈ amines, that amines and this amines is same itself. Both the amines are same only. Here we will learn about the structure of the amines, preparation of the amines and some named reactions of the amines. So ನೀವು biology ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ಆ amines ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಾ? biologically ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದು? ಅದರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸು, ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, so first is classification of a primary amine and then comes the secondary and tertiary. You need to have an idea. Okay, primary amine anna hege produce ಮಾಡಬಹುದು and what is the general equation for that? Okay, primary amines means RNH2. Primary amines means is going to tell it as RNH2. Clear? Primary means secondary ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? R2NH. Tertiary R3N. Okay, R3N. Hydrogen atoms will not be there in the tertiary. Clear? Hydrogen atoms will not be there in the tertiary. Primary means what? RNH2. That also examples you can give it like this. Clear? So in case secondary means R2NH, examples you can give it tertiary alcohol, sorry, tertiary amine, then you can give that, then NN diethylamine has an example, tertiary. Clear? Next, after that, you need to understand the structure of amine. How the structure of the amine is? So the tetrahedral geometry of amino, okay, tetrahedral geometry of amino is slightly deformed. Okay, tetrahedral amine then structure idella slightly define ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, slightly deform ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, deform ಮಾಡಿ amine ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Clear? Ammonia ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, NH3, right? Everyone knows ammonium, there is NH3, right? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ? Anyone has taken the smell of the ammonia? Anyone in your labs in college, anyone has taken it? Anyone has taken it? Please confirm me. Fast. Fast. Tetrahedral geometry of ammonium ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂದು? ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂದು? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಫ್ these people will smell ammonium? ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ? ಹೇಳ್ರೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? Rithika Ma'am is back. Listen to here, everyone. Don't sit and see that this in the different stories. Come on, tell me. Anyone has smelled the ammonium? Then tell me. And one of the tetrahedral sites of occupied by a single pair of non-bonding electrons. So that lone pair of complex is going to be NH2. two bond angles. Yes, bond angle rehte almost 107 degree. NH2 at more almost 107 degree. 107 degree. Clear? 107 degree. Understood? Next comes ammonium and the trimethylamine, and then again what important concepts are there? Yes, this is also important concepts. Please make sure you will study this also. 1,2,2 trimethyl lysine, that is 1,2,2. That is the R structure and S structure. So this also question will be asked. Physical properties are there. Physical properties of amines we'll study now. First one is state. What is the meaning of a state now? Ma'am, I had questions. Yes, you can ask me a questions. Please ask the questions. You have any doubt then? You have any doubt, you can ask the questions, appa. Fast ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನು doubt ಇದೆ? What do you have a doubt? You can ask me. One second, guys. I'll show you people what type of questions are also important from the amines. And even aldehydes ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ತರ questions ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ repeat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Please ask me the questions, Amma. Please ask me the questions. What do you have a doubt? What do you have a doubt? Physical properties in ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೋವರ್ ಎಲಿಪೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಲೋವರ್ ಎಲಿಪೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಿಶಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲೋವರ್ ಎಲಿಪೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಿರುತ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲೋವರ್ ಎಲಿಪೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫಿಶಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಐಡಿಯಾ ದಟ್ how badly it stucks into the nose. Once you smell the ammonium, 2-3 days you will feel it like something smell is there inside my nose. Okay, first time what I did, I'll tell you people, first time na lab hogidella, then that time what happened, mistakenly I just smelled the ammonium. Okay, mistakenly ammonium na smell marde. Then afterwards what is like, first of all it is a very dirty smell. Okay, then it sticks very badly in the nose that it's just like how it sticks, you know, pin yavado on pin tagondu ಮೂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಚ್ಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ತರ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4 to 5 days ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Only that smell will be there. So it will take time to remove that ammonium smell. Okay, that's very sticky. I just can't even imagine that smell now. Okay, primary amines with the 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid, while those with the more than 3 carbon atoms are going to be solid. Clear? So primary amines ಏನೇನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is RNH2. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? RNH2. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ N2NH, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ N3H. ಓಕೆ, N3H. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ So lower alipetic amines are a gaseous compound with a fishy odor. That is, primary amines with the 3 more carbon atoms are liquid. 3 more carbon atoms are going to be liquid, and while those with the more than 3 carbon atoms are going to be solid. If it is more than 3 carbon atoms are present, that will be solid. If in case 3 or more than carbon atoms will be there, then it will be liquid. Clear? This is all about the state. State is also very important, guys. Whether it will be solid state, whether it will be liquid state, whether it will be gaseous state, that all depends on number of the carbon atoms present in the primary amines. Clear? So primary amine nalli ಎಷ್ಟು number of atoms ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ what will be that state, whether it will be a liquid or a solid or a gaseous. Clear? ಈಗ next comes the dipole moment. Dipole moment ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, how we can significant it, that is dipole moment of the lone pair of the electrons. Compound electrons contributes to the dipole of CH and HN bonds. Amines are highly polar. If in case, if the dipole moments of CH and NH bonds are there, that time what is going to happen is amines will be having a highly polar. They will be highly polarized. They will be highly polarized. Example, overall dipole moment to Krita. Then it depends what dipole moment is completely dependent on the lone pair. Okay, it's completely dependent on the lone pair. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು primary ದಲ್ಲಿದೆನಾ, secondary ದಲ್ಲಿದೆನಾ, tertiary ದಲ್ಲಿದೆನಾ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next comes the solubility, that is NH bonds in primary and secondary amines allow them to create the hydrogen bonds. It will allow them to create the hydrogen bonds. Pure tertiary amines cannot form the hydrogen bonds. Pure tertiary amines will not form the hydrogen bonds. Clear? Produce ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, hydrogen bonds produce ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Clear? Then because they lack behind the NH bonds. ಯಾಕೆ produce ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ? They are lacking behind in the NH bonds. See, NH bonds ಇಲ್ಲ. Primary ದಲ್ಲಿ, one second. So tertiary ದಲ್ಲಿ amines ದಲ್ಲಿ NH bonds ಇಲ್ಲ. See, I will show you people. Starting ದಲ್ಲಿ na structures ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ tertiary ದಲ್ಲಿ. There is no NH bonds present. If in tertiary there is no NH bonds present, how it will form, right? How it will form? Clear? I am not saw the previous class. Can I complete the challenge with you? What is the challenge, Amma? What challenge you are going to give me? Azha, no, your name is Azha, right? Clear? So other salvagi tertiary amines dalli cannot form the hydrogen bonds because they will lag behind the NH bonds. So they can accept the hydrogen bonds from the molecules that have OH or NH bonds. So idu accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ OH group or NH group ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಯಾರು tertiary accept ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, but ಅವರೇ produce ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Why? Because they don't have NH bonds present in them. For that purpose they will not produce. Clear? Adar takshana, next to boiling point. So the NH bonds is less polar than the OH bonds because nitrogen is less electronegative than the oxygen. Yake NH bond is less polar? Why? Because nitrogen is less electronegative compared to the oxygen. So compared to the oxygen, it is very less electronegative. So oxygen ಜಾಸ್ತಿ electronegative ಇದೆ, nitrogen ಕಡಿಮೆ electronegative ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ NH bond is having a less polar. NH bond is actually having a less polar. Clear? Yes, what challenge, bro? What challenge? Clear? This is how the boiling point is, type is, and molecular weight is. Done? Next comes the preparation of amines. Now we'll learn about the preparations of amines. Clear? So, the preparation of amines, concentrate properly. That is RNH. Primary amine dinda. That is RNH. RNH dinda, this is carbonyl compounds reductive amination. Here is the alcohol substance reaction. Here alkyl halides dinda Hoffman aminolysis and then Gabriel's pentamide synthesis. I think this question was asked for you people in the preparatory 1 examination. This question was asked in the preparatory 1 examination. Okay, in part C, I guess so. In part C dalli kelidare, I think preparatory 1 dalli part C dalli question kelidare Gabriel's pentamide synthesis. Clear? Ee question repeat agide. Ma'am, 10 days challenge re. What is a 10 days challenge, appa? Yes, Azha, tell me. What Azwa? Here am I in 10 days challenge. 10 days challenge ಏನು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲಿ everyone have written it hope so you have written it okay then carboxylic acid ಮತ್ತು derivatives ದಲ್ಲಿ Schimmel's reaction Curtis reaction Hoffman's degradation hydrolysis of amides decarboxylation of amino acids and then we'll study about the nitrogen compounds reduction of azides and cyanides isocyanides and nitro compounds so this all preparations we will discuss it today okay he's trying to disturb me today only my Azwa, my all chapters will be completed today only. I think Saturday I had taken 2 lessons and Monday I had taken 3 lessons. 3, 4, 5 became and then yesterday I had taken 3 lessons, 6, 7, 8 became and today I am taking 2 lessons. All the 10 chapters will be done today. Today it will be done all the 10 chapters. As Hoffman's amylolysis method. Idu important ide guys. That is Hoffman's amylolysis method inu important ide. Thikta idnu study ಮಾಡಬೇಕು exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ that is it's in the case of amylolysis in the sealed tube an alkyl halide and an ethanoic amino solutions are heated up to 100 degrees Celsius. It is actually heated up to how much? 100 degrees Celsius. Clear? And a combination of a goods is being produced by this method. A combination of a goods is being produced by this method. Clear? And here the tertiary alkyl halide isn't recommended because it is produced an alkene. Okay? Tertiary alkyl halide usually use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ because actually it will produce the alkene. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ necessity ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು clear then at ತಕ್ಷಣ the reaction is initiated by the biomolecular substitution that is also initiated with the help of biomolecular that is in the present in the SN2 reaction okay SN2 yesterday we studied no SN2 SN1 ಕಲ್ತ್ವಲ್ಲ alcohols ದಲ್ಲಿ that's clear now how the reaction is going to be possible now concentrate properly CH3Br when it is reacting with the amine when it is reacting with the amino what we will get CH3NH3Br done. Now CH3NH2 plus NHBr is being produced at the end. Clear? Same ಅದೇ ತರ. Okay, same ಅದೇ ತರ. Tertiary, primary and secondary. Clear? Oh bro, I'm not disturbed ma'am. I'm just asking to ma'am. Yes, 10 days challenge ದಲ್ಲಿ I have finished up all chapters. Today it will be completed. Okay? If you want to understand the concepts, it will be very easy for you to go and see the classes. Okay? Because the classes bala short ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ because concepts understanding ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಯಾವ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು. Okay? Okay, no problem. No problem. Then comes the Gabriel's pathetic synthesis. This question was actually asked for you people in the preparatory one. This is also important. Make sure you people will study this properly. Okay. Preparatory one dal kelidralla ee question anna. No. Hege bardidira ellaru. After treating the phthalamide with the KOH, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? When you are going to treat this with the KOH of alkyl phthalamide is being produced by heating the potassium phthalamide with the alkyl halide. So, yavaga potassium phthalamide we will heat it with the alkyl halide. Then the hydrolysis that follows the generates only the primary amine. So, aim produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ primary amine ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Clear? I'm just rotating from here and there every time. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ consider ಮಾಡಿ. First ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ actually phthalamide will be heated with the means potassium heated up, okay? It will be heated up with what? It is heated up with the alkyl halide. So after heating it with the alkyl halide, by hydrolysis that follows the generators to produce the primary amine. By hydrolysis, it will produce what? It will produce what? It will produce the primary amine. Clear? ಏನು produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Primary amine ಅನ್ನ produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Clear? Hi Yogita, you are late for the class. Hi Appu. You are also late for the class, by the way. Why so much late for the class? So to improve the yield of the primary amine, alkyl paltamide is also treated with the hydrazine. Okay, it is also to improve this. Okay, to improve to improve the yield. To improve the yield, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? what they will do for this, they are going to treat that with alkyl paltamide. It is going to be treated with the hydrazine. Clear? College ittu. College half day idenamma. College is half day to you people. College is half day to you people. Okay, potassium paltamide is going to get heated with the alkyl halide. By the hydrolysis, you are going to get a primary amine. To get a good yield of a primary amine, we are going to treat the potassium paltamide with the hydrazine. We are going to treat it with the hydrazine. This is very important, guys. Clear? Example annu kodabodu with the help of the Grignard's reagent annu hege produce madabodu. So everything is very easy. Grignard's reagent andre just you need to add up the thing like RMGX. Clear? Grignard's reagent andre adu reagent anna add ಮಾಡಿ with the ClNH2 or RNH2 anna produce ಮಾಡಿ, it will give us the MgXCl. It will give us the MgXCl. Clear? Grignard's reagent jode ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next carbonyl compounds jodenu same ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It will become same with the carbonyl compounds also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ heptanol ಇದೆ. It will be reacting with the NH3 and H2HI. We will get what? Primary amino chaptane. We are going to get primary amino chaptane. See, ಯಾವ ತರ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, how you people need to remember this with the examples ಅನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, sometimes if they will not directly tell you, okay, directly or helalla nimage, but sometimes they might mention, okay, mention ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Like example ಏನು mention ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, with the carbonyl compounds ಹೇಗೆ produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, or like example they can ask you with the heptanol ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, with the help of benzaldehyde ಹೇಗೆ produce ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಈ ತರ questions ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then carboxylic acid and the derivatives, that is also called as a Schmidt reaction. This is also important, guys. Primary amine is being produced by treating a mixture with the carboxylic acid and hydrozonic acid. Carboxylic primary amine in RNH2 is being getting treated up with the what? Carboxylic acid, and even carboxylic acid andre eno RC double bond OOH, carboxylic acid. Okay, and even with the hydrozonic acid, with cold concentrated sulfuric acid, Clear? So with the help of the cold concentrated sulfuric acid, primary amines are going to be get treated up with the carboxylic acid and the hydrazine to produce RNH2. That is primary amine. Clear, everyone? Primary amine. Done? So that is RCOOH plus NH3 carboxylic acid plus hydrazine with the cold concentrated H2SO4 will get a amine, primary amine plus CO2 plus N2. This is also important, guys. This is also important in the amines. Okay. Next, adhe tara example kodtare. Cutest reaction is also important. Idu important too. So 1 star mark andre little bit important. Okay. Then acyl azide is being pyrolyzed to create a isocyanide. In this process, as a result of the following hydrolysis, amine is going to be produced. So this is how the amines are going to be produced. Clear? Hoffman degradation of amides. This is important. They might ask this question. This preparatory 2. Okay, preparatory 2 ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ because ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ preparatory 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, so that might not repeat again. Okay, ಅದು repeat ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So that is Hoffman's degradation of amides ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. This is important. Hoffman's degradation of amides. So how it has been done? Right. ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ Hoffman degradation of amides? That is bromine and strong aqueous KOH or NaOH solution. That is bromine of strong KOH or NaOH solutions are being used to warm the amide. It has been used to warm the amide. Warm the amide means what? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. Warm the amide. That is, the product is the primary amide with one less carbon and amide. Clear? With the product is a primary amide with a one less carbon than the amide. One less carbon means amide dalli important thing is hydrogen yav tara bond agide nitrogen jode. Clear? Amines dalli important thing is only that. Okay, that is primary, secondary and tertiary ne bala important ide. Okay, sure appo it will be added. Okay, then intermediate is been alkyl isocyanate and rearrangement is the intermolecular rearrangement it is intermolecular. Clear? Example ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು concentrate ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See how the examples have been. With the help of the bromide, you are going to get this product. ಇದು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Hydrolysis of amides of isocyanates are also important. Done. Examples ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Decarboxylation of amino acids is also important, guys. ಇದು important ಇದೆ. Done. Next, nitrogen compounds, examples. Then reduction of a nitro compounds is also good. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Clear? Reaction with the amines. Hensberg test is important for you people. Okay. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is treatment with the benzene sulfonic chloride, that is also called as an Hensberg reagent, or paratoluene or sulfonene chloride. So whenever the reaction is being used to separate the amine mixture, what will happen is that this is actually used to separate the amine mixture only. It use ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ to separate the amine mixture. Okay, amine mixture ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ included ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆನೆ this Hessenberg test has been used. Okay, to separate it. Hessenberg test has been used to separate it. Clear? Now primary and secondary amine, due to the presence of the active hydrogen, react to give a corresponding sulfonide, while tertiary amide does not react. Why? Because it doesn't have a hydrogen. ಅದೇ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ tertiary react ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Clear? ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. amines ದಲ್ಲಿ give reason ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then primary amine will product gives us the N-alkyl benzene sulfonic acid to is soluble in the KOH, forming a water soluble salt. ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? It's forming the water soluble salts. Clear? Water soluble salts. Done. Acylation also study. Hoffman's executive methylation and elimination is also important. Okay, general equation ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ primary ಮತ್ತು secondary ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತ. Done. That is RNH2 plus CH3I. It's going to give us the secondary, that is RNHCH3, and that is secondary. Then in the presence of methyl iodine, you are going to get RNCH3 twice. Now in the presence of iodine again, you are going to get quaternary ammonium salt. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Quaternary ammonium salt ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? This is a general equation. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Hoffman's executive methylation and elimination ದಲ್ಲಿ please write the general equation of this compound. this reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? Example, then preparation of aromatic amines dalli vapor phase reduction important, catalyst hydration, then phenol and ammoniation, diazonium salts, oxidation, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation. Sulfonation is also important. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ 2 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು actually. Okay, 2 marks ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So how it has been formed? Amino sulfone is going to be Amino is going to get reacted with the fusing of H2SO4 in the presence of 453 to 475 Kelvin. Okay, 473 to 475 Kelvin. Now you are going to get a sulfonic acid and Zwitter ion, that is also dipolar ion. Zwitter ion is been produced. So they might ask the question like, they will not ask directly the sulfonation anta kelalla question. Em keltare andre yav tara question keltare andre how the Zwitter ion is being produced. Hege Zwitter ion produce agutte aa tara question anna kelbahudu. Clear? Hege Zwitter ion produce agutte anta question keltare. Avaga you people can write the sulfonation. So that's what the students ಏನು mistake ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ organic ದಲ್ಲಿ, they will not, if they will not write ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸಲ್ಫೋನೇಷನ್, ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್, ಹೆಲೋಜಿನೇಷನ್, ಈ ಥರ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ನೆನಪುಳಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ನೆನಪಿಡಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ದ Zwitter ion is been produced. If in case, if they would ask you the sulfonation directly, you would write. But they asked you Zwitter ion, how it has been formed. So, niಮಗೆ confusion, no, right? So, ಈ confusion na please ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, because you need to study it properly, then only you can remember, okay? Next, yes, these are the questions. I will show you people what type of questions will be asked from this chapter. Okay, try to answer this question first. MCQs ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಒಂದು 4-5, ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ we'll go for the important questions which has been asked. Okay, which one of the following is aromatic amine? Aromatic amine ಯಾವುದು? Which are actually called as, we have discussed already aromatic amine. Come on, try answers ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಕುಂತು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀಗ ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. Option D is the correct answer. Is it correct, Appu? I need answers from everyone. Please make sure everyone will answer it. Everyone needs to answer me. Option D will be the correct answer. Yen draw ellaru ishtu lazy agibitidara. Both A and B is the correct answer. That is, aromatic amines have a NH2 or NR2 directly on a aryl ring. Both despited options attach the nitrogen to the aromatic ring. Clear? Okay, next question try. Class of the following compound is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and amide. Come on. It is a primary or tertiary or amide. Faster, Kiri, no answer. This is easy. This is easy, guys. Try. Try, everyone. Hey, try my answers and I. No problem. Take your time, but tell. So what will be the correct answer? That is secondary amine. Secondary amine is the correct answer because it has NH. R2NH. Clear? Okay. Now I will tell you people what type of a questions will be asked from this chapter. Okay. ಎಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೋದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪು. Then why is the methylamine more basic than the ammonium? Okay, why is the methylamine more basic than the ammonium? And then which question is next? That is going to be give reason aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then what is the Heisenberg's reagent? How do you distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary amine? By using the Heisenberg's reagent. So by using the Heisenberg's reagent, how you are going to clarify whether it is going to be a primary or secondary or it is going to be a tertiary anta ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay. Next question, explain the preparation of a primary amine from the nitro compounds. Yes, see, from the nitro compounds, how you are going to produce the aniline? Aniline anna hege produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ with the help of the nitrobenzenes. So this also question is asked. Then nitro compounds are reduced to the amines by using the metals. Then write the general formula for the diazonium salt. Diazonium salt general formula. Okay, general formula ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is MCQs ನಲ್ಲಿ, okay. Next example, see, example of Hoffman's bromide reaction. Just now we discussed it. So Hoffman degradation reaction. That's what last time ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಪತಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈಗ ತಾಲಿಮೈಡ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, 100% ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್, 100% ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ ಈ ಸಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮೇ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವರು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಲ ಅಂತೂ 100% ಶೋರ್ ಹಾಫ್ಮನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2ದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, next, preparation of a primary amine by the Gabelson synthesis. This was actually asked in your preparatory one, no? So this question already preparatory one ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಸಲ ಕೇಳೋ ಡೌಟ್. ಓಕೆ, explain Guttermann's reaction. I told you Guttermann's reaction is very, very important. Too much important, guys. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done. Next, afterwards, how are the primary amines prepared from the nitro compounds? Write the equation. And how does the Heisenberg's reagent react with the ethylene amine? This is also important. That is how does the Heisenberg's reagent is going to react with the ethylamine. ಹೇಗೆ ethylamine ಜೊತೆ react ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, and write the equation ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And even they will ask her write the IUPAC names also for the questions. Okay, ಇದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. IUPAC ನೇಮು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸು, ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನೇಮು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ನೇಮು, IUPAC ನೇಮು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 15 structures ಇರಬಹುದು. Please go back and check. Even I will upload a PDF that time also you can watch it out. Okay, done. This is important. Next, ಏನತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, something will be happening to this remote. Oh, one second guys, shell fell off. Okay, it's okay. Okay, clear everyone? How are the primary amines prepared from the nitro compounds? Write the equation and this. So these are the types of questions which they are going to ask you people. Okay, which they are going to ask you people from this chapter. Almost I have finished everything. I have told you people what type of questions also will be asked to you people. Clear? Hope so this chapters, both the chapters are clear to you. Okay, before we end the class, even I want to tell you people one more thing. That is, so you can just check here itself in the class description. Here you have YSAT here. Okay, here YSAT is present. Register for the YSAT here. You just click on this. So directly it will be open like this. Theta? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್, ಇಮೇಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆಫ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಯಾವ ಬೋರ್ಡು, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು, ನೀಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ JE ಇದೆನಾ, ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. GA ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10th CBSE 2026, JE 2026, ನೀಟ್ 2026 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ 2026 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ depends Karnataka elladrದು. Okay, take a test on online. That is going to be on 4th of January, 11th of January and 18th of January. Okay, on 18th of January. Clear? January 18th of January, this Sunday you people have it. Already 4th to 11th to mugdide. You people can write it on the 18th of January itself. That time you can come and write your exam and know yourself that actually where you are. Okay, so this is one is there. You just don't forget it. Why to take a YSAT? That is going to be scoring. You're going to score booster for the 2026 takers. So obviously we are writing KCET, we are writing NEET, we are writing JE. So with this help you will have your reality check. Okay, reality check barutte adrinda, and will even help for the take the test offline challenge for 100 mock test will be available. AI powerized personalized smart report also will get it. And then you actually mistakes ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು AI ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪವರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. Because this scheme is nowhere it is present in any of the platforms it is present. So it's present in the Vedantu itself. You can get AI powerized personalized report immediately right after your exams. Clear? Then actionable insights based on the strengths and the weakness, how much subject level you have and what is there, what you actually need to improvise, that all things are present. Then you people will be even having a complete test preparation support, including the videos, doubt solving questions will be there, tips will be there, and some tricks also you will be able to understand it. Clear? So our impactful results, you people can see it, so many results are there. So these are our results which you people might get it. Clear? So I have told you people hege adanna register ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. So this is the registration. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ YSAT ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ this all things will be open. Okay, if you just click it also, your information you can just add it up here itself. Theta largo done. Hope so this class is useful to you people, and let us make sure to write this exam so that it will be helpful to you people also. Helpful agutte nimugunu. Okay, then see you everyone in the next session. In the next section it will be on Sunday, and I will tell you people update the timing also, which time will be the class. Okay, so that you will come and attain the classes also, because that day I will be doing 3 marks questions and 5 marks questions complete ನೋಡ್ಕೋದ all the 10 chapters ಅನ್ನು. ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1 marks ಮತ್ತೆ 2 marks questions some other day, that is on Tuesday we will do it. Okay, so before that you people have requested me for the numerical problems. Even I will do the numerical problem separate video for you, and different types of formulas, means ಯಾವ important formulas ಇದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ, so that it will be really be helpful to you people. Okay, till then see you everyone. Already short series has been opened. Okay, day 1 day 2 short series means all 10 chapters most repeated questions ana already ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. If you have not watched it out, you can go and watch it in the short. Okay, clear? Anyone has any doubt from this? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆನಾ? Anyone is having any doubt, please ask me. Please ask me now itself. Anyone has any doubt then? Hope so. No doubt you people have it. अंत तिಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. In titration, which we will get at a oxalic acid or FAS? In titration, which we will get it as a oxalic or a FAS? Might probably oxalic in a sigbodu. I can't guess here. I'm not prepared the question paper, guys. Okay, question paper prepared madillappa nanu hege heli nanu. But no problem, I'll help you out with the preparation for your practical exams. Okay, practical exams yav tara ನೀವು registration na baribeku and what neatness you need to maintain there. I will help you out with that. Don't worry about it. Okay, till then, see you everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next session.